Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's SolidWorks tutorial, we are going to create this complete 3D mechanical part step by step. This tutorial is perfect for beginners. First, select the right plane and start a new sketch. Now select the line command and begin creating the sketch step by step. Carefully draw the complete side profile using only the line tool. Make sure all lines are connected properly to create a closed sketch. Now we will start giving dimensions to fully define the sketch. First, give the bottom horizontal length 4 millimeters. After that, give the vertical height 0.35 millimeters. Next, select the centerline command and draw two center lines for reference geometry. Adjust the sketch properly using these reference lines. Now apply angular dimensions. Give the first angle 60 degrees and the second angle 30 degrees. Next, give the inclined line length 1 millimeter. After that, give another inclined line length 2.24 millimeters. Now continue defining the remaining profile. Give the vertical height 0.38 millimeters. Then assign the next horizontal length 3.60 millimeters. Finally, give the overall height 1.18 millimeters. Now the sketch is completely fully defined. Next, go to the Features tab and select the Extruded Boss/Base command. Inside the extrusion options, go to the Direction menu and select Mid-Plane. Now give the extrusion thickness 2 millimeters and confirm the command. You can now see that the base model is successfully created and ready for the next operation. Select the face and create a new sketch for the V-slot. Use the Convert Entities command and convert the required edge line. Next, select the Centerline command and draw one center line for reference. After that, select the Line command and create the V-slot sketch. Now use Smart Dimension to apply the proper dimensions. Line length, 1 millimeter angle, 60 degrees. Then, select both inclined lines and the center line and apply a symmetric relation. Next, give the distance from the reference line as 0.70 millimeters. After that, select the Trim Entities command and remove the unwanted lines. The sketch is now fully defined. Go to the Features tab and select Extruded Cut. In the Selection menu, choose the Through All End condition and complete the process. Now select this face and start a new sketch. Select the Center Slot command and draw one slot. Apply the proper relations and dimensions to fully define the slot sketch. After completing the sketch, go to the Features tab and select Extruded Boss/Base. Set the extrusion depth to 0.12 millimeters and confirm the feature. Now select the top face of the extruded boss and start a new sketch. Draw another slot using the Center Slot command and apply the proper dimensions to fully define the sketch. After completing the sketch, go to the Features tab and select Extruded Cut. In the Direction settings, choose Through All and confirm the cut feature. Now right-click on the model and go to the Appearance menu. Select Part Appearance Settings. Next, go to the Metal section and choose Chrome. Click OK to apply the appearance to the part. Once again, open the Appearance menu and select the Face option. Choose the desired color and apply it to the selected faces.